Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of a gringo making lunch tacos out of leftovers. Uh, did some shrimp and rice the other night. It's shrimp in a lime tomato butter sauce, key lime butter tomato sauce, and I believe avocado rice. So, it's been a while since I've posted. Things have been really busy at work. Real life takes a priority over internet nonsense. But I'm at home cooking lunch today. You know what? Let's put some of this rice on these tacos. So, you notice that today I'm not using the nonstick. I finally got my griddle pan stripped and reseasoned. And I've been trying to use that anytime I would have used non-stick before. There we go, that's a better one. All right, we have our shrimp, rice, Queso Quesadilla, avocado, flour tortillas. Let's give it a taste, see how it is. The fresh avocado alone makes it excellent, but melted cheese, toasty rice. Oh, this all came together really well. I'm gonna go enjoy this. Y'all do the internet video thing. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell wherever that is down there somewhere for notifications. Get in those comments because the internet machine demands you comment. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a good one. Bye.